Hey, guys, today, let's learn how to sign out Twitter from all devices. So if you guys want to go ahead and sign out from your Twitter account on all devices, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys, step by step, just how to basically do this. So please watch this video until the end to find out. Now, alright, guys, what we need to do first is to launch your Twitter accounts or X accounts over here. All we need to do next from here is to tap on your Twitter icon, profile on the top corner. So I'm gonna tap on this option on my profile, and then let's go on over on our settings and support, and let's tap on settings and privacy. Now, under here, what I want you to do next is to proceed with tapping on your account. So let's try to tap on your account, and let's see what option that is going to show us. So if you want to go ahead and do this, let's try to go ahead and enter and basically try to see the absent sessions. So in this case, the absent sessions is not necessarily located here anymore. So let's see the securating accounts access. And basically, that's gonna show us the absent sessions option. Let's tap on this. This gonna redirect us onto this prompt. Let's tap on logged in devices and apps, and we need to confirm this by typing in our password real. So let's go ahead and do so. And once this is done, you could actually go ahead and proceed with tapping on these specific accounts that you have over here. And if you are logged in onto other devices, this also gonna show you the option to log out on other devices here. Now, if you want to go ahead and log out on all devices, all you need to do is to proceed with the choosing each and every device, absent sessions as you have active on here, and log out directly like that. Is that easy, guys? Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys have learned something, and take care.